Going over this on a wooden bridge. Yee. Another one. Wooden bridge. Only this isn't so creepy looking. It's creepy enough, but not creepy like the Oh, look at that. I wonder how that'd look in black, just black and white. That'd be pretty though, wouldn't it? Ooh. Okay, later. Hi guys, we are at Morrison County State Park in Florida. It's down the road from Ponce de Leon. Um, oh, look at that. Water, water. I may have to take a walk. There's water over there. I'm scouting places so I can magnet fish. And the spots that I've seen this morning had people regular fishing in, and I didn't think they would appreciate it. So, it's a nice little park. I think I'm gonna hang out in the pavilion for a while. Maybe get something to eat. Cook something up anyway. So we'll be back. Guess what I found in a Winn-Dixie store in Florida? They got pecan praline, uh, just golden caramel, just all kind of stuff. Let's see, 5-star, French roast, coffee chicory. Wow, I had no idea. They got quite a bit in here. That's awesome. Hey guys, I combed my hair. Yes, I did. It just does whatever it wants to do. So, well, I figured, remember when I told you that the inside of my van was damp? Yeah, well, good reason. Good reason. See these? Oh, hold on. Sorry, I forgot. I forgot what I was doing. I was looking at myself instead of the van. These windows close, but they don't close tight. So what I did, I got some tape and taped both of them shut. And I aired out the van, and it's doing pretty good right now. So I'm happy, happy, happy. And look, why does my van do that? It only gets dirty right there. I don't know. Anywho, I taped this sucker, and I think what I'm gonna have to do is get some white masking tape, or no, white duct tape, and put over that. Because, let's face it, this looks tacky. So, well, it doesn't look tacky until you get right up on it. But anywho, I gotta roll down my windows again. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I got my windsock. Can you see? No, you can't even see that. Right here, windsock goes over my window. I got it on there so I can air out the van and not have any bugs or wasp and all that stuff get in here. So, and with that said, uh, I've got my Amazon link working, okay? Not the brightest crayon in the box. I was sent a message quite a while ago that said my account was closed. It wasn't doing anything. Well, I had no idea that I had another Amazon account already made. Who knew? Who knew? I don't. So anyway, I talked to Amazon. Everything is great. I've got my account up, and I put some things on my in my description box. And as soon as I figure out how to copy and paste that on to each video, I won't have to spend an hour and a half trying to type everything out. What a pain. But yeah, I got my store up, and I got some things on there. You guys should go check it out, and the link in the description box underneath. I feel like a frickin' commercial right now. So there's some things that you guys can get on there if you want them. There's no pressure sale here, I got them divided into different groups. So there's a camping group, there's a drink group, and there's a art group, but that only has Elmer's glue in it. Hey, give me a break. I just started, okay? I will be putting this little number on there. It's, oh my God, I got this for Christmas from TJ and Jean. But they bought it at Amazon, okay? And it's a radio, a flashlight, a siren horn. It's got NOAA weather radio, okay? And whoa, what's really cool is you can do this number and it charges. Now, okay, you can tell it's charging when the little, can you see that? Oh, see that red light up there? Right here. That means it's charging. Isn't that the coolest thing you ever saw? I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. Anyway, this, that's going to be on there, by the way, on this video. Woo, woo. I'm so excited. I can't hardly stand it. Anywho, I found a couple little videos that I'll put on the end of this. So I can't think of anything else right this second. Ooh, I found a $5 bill. Ooh, hot dog. I'm rich. Okay. I think we're going to go to the NOLA restaurant either this afternoon or maybe tomorrow afternoon. So I'll push my trip another day. Who cares? Anyway, the NOLA is haunted, it's a restaurant and it's haunted. Well, well, yeah, because when I did an interview in the hotel with this chef, which worked under Emerald Agassi. Okay. Woohoo! Um, anyway, he said that he told me some ghost stories that were there, and they were going to have this and that, and he told me the greatest story, and I was just taking it all in. And then when I got back, oh, and then we went upstairs to one of the rooms that is supposedly haunted, and I got some great film of the bed being messed up after the maid came in and made sure it was clean for the day. It was messed up. It looked like someone had been laying on the bed. Well, I was filming all that, right? I was filming the story, blah, 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 blah. My battery went dead. Now it was on a full charge, okay? When we were downstairs eating at the restaurant and he was talking to us, the sound went off. So what we're going to do today, oh, and then when we went in the restroom, a couple weird things happened. So we want to go back either today or maybe tomorrow afternoon, and I've got my EMF reader. Got my EMF reader, and we're going to go in, and there's supposed to be a guy that sits at the very back corner table. So we're going to ask the guys if we can sit at that table and ask them some questions while we eat. Wouldn't that sound? That's going to be so cool. It's going to be so cool. And then we're going to go back in the bathroom and ask some questions and see if we can get any answer. I've got this, and then I've got the flashlight where you undo it just enough to where it goes out, and then if there's a spirit around and they want to answer you, all they have to do is touch it and it'll come on. So we're going to test that out tomorrow or today. I don't know which one. So hang in there with me. So I've got so much done, guys. I really have. I've got so much done. I'm just so happy. Woo! Yeah, I've got, oh my God. I had this list of things that I've been meaning to do, but just hadn't got around to it. So I got 90% of them done. 90. Oh my gosh. And one of the biggest reasons why I can't finish it is I can't find something that I need to finish my list. So I'll get it. So anyway, this is long enough of me babbling on. Anyway, take it easy. Take the long way home.